While the red light camera law is now in effect, it will still be a while before we see any popping up around our state. Now the long process begins for cities and towns to apply for permission to use automated traffic enforcement. The red light camera law was recently passed by the House and the Senate and signed by Governor Ned Lamont. It allows cities and towns to install red light cameras, which will catch drivers that are running lights. Under the legislation, speed cameras can also be installed. The cameras will grab pictures of a car's license plate and send a ticket in the mail. Starting January 1st, the Connecticut Department of Transportation will give cities and towns more details on how to apply for permission to install cameras. Josh Morgan, the spokesperson for DOT, says the state is taking many measures to make sure that the camera system is fair for everyone.
Here in Connecticut, this will be the first time that red light cameras will be used, and we want to make sure that it is done equitably, it is done safely, and it doesn't have a disparate impact on different communities in our state.
In order for a town or city to get permission to install a camera, there needs to be data that backs up why one is needed. That data includes the number of crashes at an intersection, is the intersection in a school zone, and is there a history of speeding. DOT officials want to make sure the law does not disproportionately impact Black and brown communities and that there aren't numerous cameras in just one area. The goal of the law is to make roadways safer and limit the number of people that are driving recklessly through traffic lights and limit those who are speeding. Officials say while the law is already in effect, the application process and review process is lengthy. The earliest we may see a red light camera in our state would be next year, possibly as early as the spring. In studio, Lindsay Kane, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.